Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and today we're back in our rig center where the boats get the final prep after they're sent from the factory. And today I'm on a 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. Sport meaning it's got a tower. See, this boat's got some new colors on it from Harris, so the new flooring looks really sharp with the white panels and the black powder coated rails. Also, you're going to have the tan seats in this and tons of storage. All the 250 Sunliner Sports are going to be the dual helm, so two captains, chairs captain, co-captain, single lounger, meaning this lounger can come back and be a rear-facing lounger, or it can lay down flat and have kind of a sunbed area. You come inside the boat here, you see up at the helm, you're going to have the Simrad Go 9 glass dash. This is going to be your gauges, your GPS, as well as your depth finder. And this has the upgraded JL sound system with amp and sub. Come to the front of the boat here, you see a nice seating area for plenty of people and plenty of storage underneath all of the seats. Once again, Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for taking the time to go through the all-new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. Thanks, have a great day.